Hi everyone, do you want to start your career in manual testing? But today companies are hiring professionals who can automate testing and save time with smart technology. Build a successful career in IT with the automation software testing course from Chroma campus and master the skills company need for faster and smarter software testing. Automation testing helps businesses improve software quality while reducing manual effort, making skilled testers highly valuable in the tech industry. Freshers can start with salaries between 4 to 7 LPA, while experienced automation professionals can earn 15 LPA or more. This course is perfect for graduates, manual testers, beginners, IT professionals, and anyone looking to switch to a high-growth technology career. Learn automation frameworks, real-time testing projects, bug tracking, test execution, and industry tools through live classes and practical sessions. At Chroma campus, you will get certification support, interview preparation, real-time project experience, and placement assistance from industry experts. So don't miss this opportunity. Join Chroma campus today and become a skilled automation testing professional ready for the future IT industry.